be. Without the tunnels.
Yeah, you know what? Tunnel goes round the corner every time I see it. Fucking hell.
It's waterlogged. Oh, we're gonna have to come back and do this. Let's do this. This is the plain box room.
This is quite big.
Fuck, I can feel the pressure around my legs.
Yeah. Fuck me. Fucking hell.
Hello? I can't believe we're actually in here now. I'm up to my knees.
Right, this is enough to my fucking hips, mate.
Look, see, look, that glow sticks in here. Look.
Yeah.
That's a light passage, so they used to put lights in there to light up the hallways.
Lieutenant Dan!
Lieutenant Dan?
I got no legs. How you doing, Ash?
Yeah. Yeah, can do.
At least this surface here is kind of flat.
Yeah, this bit's pretty much flat ground. There's no debris or anything in there. This is a shaft that they used to use to lower and take up the ammunition for the guns at the top. I believe these are the casemates. You see the number on the side of it as well. Look down here. Another tunnel system.
I wonder if that's old, right? That's someone's done that.
I don't know, that looks pretty new. It's got Bill next to it. Like this thing here, yeah? This thing right here, that's a speak hole. Remember,
I've seen one in the other room as well.
yeah, you see that? So you like, remember in like primary school we used to cut through the string? Same thing. So it goes all the way up there. I've got to admit, people back in the day were short. I've got to bend down for these parts.
It's just like easy to build, isn't it? It's less building a bit short. I can walk get past it.
Yeah, you can. Fuck, I wonder what that noise was then. Right, careful because there's loads of debris and shit down here. That doesn't look too clever.
through that?
Should be able to, yeah. Just gonna have to take our bags off and just be very careful.
Do you want me to go first?
No, I'm here, so I might as well go.
I can see your bar.
Try and stay, go low as you can. Don't hit that. You good?
Yeah, hold on.
Oh, bruv, look at that. Oh, cup. Or a little mug. See it? That's been down there a while. This is the old pulley system for the shaft. It's a running away.
Yeah, 1924.
Wow. It's almost 100 years ago. See the old shelf rack there, look. Or the remnants of what used to be a shelf. I must admit, the floor in here is very sticky. This is another little corner room. This bit's rather deep. I'm almost touching balls. Yeah.
Touching balls. What's that, mate?
Literally just goes into a T.
Fucking it's deep in here, isn't it?
Very. Literally goes
Just take a look
to the side. Literally, that's all it's in it. Maybe it wasn't a toilet.
What's that, mate?
Nothing, literally just goes there and there. That is all it does. It's number 13.
Careful with the stuff down there.
Yep, I know. The three other blokes of the Die Hard.
There's that fucking
The
stuff
three,
on board there.
the three other blokes of the Die Hard. 1928. Careful. It's not a room there, is it? Oh, there's a room. This is another case, mate.
Might as well check it on the rear. Yeah.
It's another box room, innit?
What about some of that guys?
That's that section that we have to climb through the little hole. I believe. That's not 100%.
How low is that beginning?
Yeah. A bit of solid ground. Finally. Look how clear the water is before we even start trodding all the sediment up. Ow. They've been reinforcing it here. Let's stay in this.
What's that tunnel in it? Or not?
That goes through there. This is another room. But it looks like they've been strengthening it. You've got a lot of these RSJs going across. Told you it's bigger than what you thought, innit? And you think they literally, once it started to sink, they just blew the fucker up.
Well, it's a daylight down there.
Yeah, those are the shafts.
You know, angle for the winch, wherever it was.
Cable, wire. Sorry, cable, and nothing to use chains as well. Old toilets. Look, Victorian urinals. Right there. So it must have been a toilet. There's another one on the floor there.
Fucking old frames for the doors there.
2007 written up of there.
Yeah, I know, like, obviously, that timber work was put in.
Oh yeah, I know that. That's probably literally from when it was built.
That's just something about that bit.
Oh fuck. There's a passageway. Look down there. I told you there was more to it.
So that there must be like half tunnel that you see going through the other side of it. Honestly, was that, because I think that's that tunnel that goes the whole way down. But what's this?
Only one way to find out. Let's go looking. I prefer the areas I've got one.
Maybe that is that tunnel then. But we didn't, there's a wall there. So what is that? It's a dead end.
Must be.
We didn't walk past it, did we?
No, we can't have. No, it's not, because look, there's no walkway through the other side, so it literally goes into that room that's there. So the room that's in there, you're looking for the little porthole. Yeah, because I think the room here,
Yeah, see that there must be that tunnel that we
yeah, that is where the RSJs are, yeah.
That's coming the whole way down here, okay.
And that's that room with all the RSJs. I said this space is a lot bigger than what I even expected. I thought it was just going to be a straight tunnel with a load of rooms coming off of it, but it's like multiple tunnels. Who the fuck brings down a beaker?
What?
Look, a bottle. Who the fuck brings a bottle down?
Oh, nice, fucking blowing down the window.
It's a baby's bottle though. Yeah, it's a little baby's bottle. Careful with your feet round here. Careful with your feet. Oh shit. Old can here. No, no, old little like drinks can. It's a Coca-Cola. Oh yeah, I was right. Old style Coca-Cola can. Huh? Would I come down here on my own? Would you come down there on your own? I mean, no, I wouldn't. You know, if I had someone at the top and I knew someone was there, then maybe. Look, through here, used to be yeah. Used to be able to go through there. I think that's the part that they blew up. That's it. Oh no, we're not finished. There's more shit around here. That's a nice boulder.
That's granite. That is pure granite.
Fucking granite sand. Just another little room.
Can you get out like that?
Nah, it's just a little room.
I know, it's steps for it.
Steps for what though?
That's my cat that first time.
What's through? I mean, that's going through.
No, you think it's all right.
This is just dead end. Yeah, see, that's the bit that you've got to be all. Like, this is the part that you've got to climb all the shit over. That's the first time I was in. And it literally just turns around to the right. And all you've got, there's that flare. What's through there?
I used to do that at the end.
It's just a dead end, isn't it? Right, so sweet. Just bang me fucking in, and about 60 years worth of dust is just falling on the top of my head.
See that on camera, mate, so 1927, 1980.
I said there's some old writing down here. You've got old wood.
1980. Fucking hell. 1893.
1893.
Imagine how many British own this whole structure.
You think? Do you think they had to dig before they even built the structure? You think they've had to dig down? Out. There you go. Back down the skinny tunnel and then walk back down to where the entrance is.
Yeah.
And then we'll go through that whole bit there. Go through that hole, and that's another section. Oh, daylight. I am a mole and I live in a hole. The shit I do for a fucking YouTube video. Ugh. We think we might have been down this section before.
Yeah, there's that 2019.
Huh?
There's that 2019. So that was 20 years, and 2019, that's the time we down here. So this here is the back entrance, back. No, so if you want, we walk down and back out again.
Oh, fuck that. If it comes, we'll just go back the way we just come. Well, when we come to that turning in front.
How close is my bag to water?
Huh?
How close is my bag to water?
Oh, you're fine. You got loads of inches left there.
18. Stop.
It's bolt. Don't shit me up like that. That's just going to be another little box room.
Just more stairs going up. So
Yeah?
stairs again, yeah. Ash. We the fucking limbo, bro. We wasn't there either. What? Oh yeah, we have. That's the one with the shelves. That's the one with shelf brackets.
Yeah, so that's one of the first ones we built. Once we got down the tunnel.
Here's the pretzel. You need to go home.
Shush. Careful your feet. I thought we had it down here before.
Yeah, this is where the RSJs are, look.
The baby bottle.
Yeah.
Rusted as fuck. It looks like we've been down this little section before with the baby bottle, but I see.
Yeah, we can go up that way and turn around and come back, innit? Or do you want to go back this way?
Well, we're pretty much going back on ourselves, ain't we? We've already explored this part. I thought that section there, where you have to go through the hole, I swear that was a whole different fucking part. Well, it looks like we've pretty much explored the whole of the tunnels. I mean, every room pretty much seems to be pretty bare. Nothing left inside of them. Oh, the structure's amazing.
It's immense. The
amount of man hours, the amount of people that have actually had to build this, and the fact that they built it and then just blew the fucker up. That's the bit that I can't get over. Used for training purposes, but then again, this was sinking because of the foundations that they've put it on. It wasn't very good. I mean, to be fair, a lot of the faults are like that. The same as Cliff Fault. That place was built on shit ground and it started sinking. The whole bottom part of it submerged. Right, there's a lot of baby shit down here, man. There's a fucking dummy there. And there's two dummies down here. You're meant to laugh, you fuck. Back to Brian's little hole. I got you, homie. Look at that ass. Skip for the fucking hole. Take the camera, it's recording. Ding 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 ding.
Here we have the human caterpillar.
I'm giving birth.
He looks like a 14-pound slug.
You know what I just realised?
What?
I'm doing this, yeah, on my front. In my front pocket. What's in my front pocket?
Don't know.
My mobile.
Dickhead. Here we have
That possibility I could have just broke my fucking phone.
the 14-pound human slug.
£14, you're being generous.
I'm carrying a little bit of holiday weight. I'm a little bit of
Christmas weight. And it's June.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Right, well, those are the tunnels. We said we'll come back and do it, and we have. Thanks everyone for watching. Remember to like, subscribe to the channel. If you're watching this on Facebook, remember to like the Facebook page and share the videos and give it a like, even give it a comment and tell us what you think, how stupid we are. Until the next video everyone, let go.